Your bathroom is lying to you. It looks clean on the surface, but underneath that dry tile and that foggy shower glass, buildup is quietly bonding to every surface in your home. The worst part? Most people scrub harder and longer every single week and still cannot win. But cleaning professionals have been using a completely different approach for decades, one that requires almost zero effort and produces results that look straight out of a luxury hotel catalog. Mark is here. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, the channel where we make your home shine without breaking your back. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a tip. These are the 9 expert cleaning secrets that will completely change how you clean your home, starting today. Secret number 1, the 60-second post-shower wipe. The single most powerful bathroom habit costs nothing and takes less time than brushing your teeth. The moment you step out of the shower, grab a microfiber cloth or a squeegee and wipe down every wet surface: the glass door, the tile walls, the faucet handles, and the sink basin. Do this while everything is still warm and damp. Here's the science behind why this works so brilliantly. Soap scum and hard water stains do not appear instantly. They form as water slowly evaporates and leaves behind a layer of dissolved minerals and soap residue. That residue then chemically bonds to the surface, hardening over time into the stubborn buildup that takes serious scrubbing to remove. If you wipe the surface before evaporation happens, that bonding process never begins. You are literally stopping the problem at its source. Professional hotel housekeepers discovered this principle long ago. It is far more efficient to prevent buildup through a daily 60-second routine than to fight hardened deposits once a week with harsh chemicals and elbow grease. The result is a bathroom that stays fresh, clean, and magazine-worthy every single day. If you are finding this helpful, drop a comment below with the word clean and share this video with a friend who could use a bathroom upgrade. Secret number 2. Vinegar as your daily surface partner. Diluted white vinegar is one of the most underrated cleaning solutions available. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a small spray bottle and keep it inside your shower. After your daily wipe down, give surfaces a light misting. The mild acidity in the vinegar dissolves early-stage mineral deposits before they have the chance to harden into scale. Vinegar also acts as a natural disinfectant, neutralizing bacteria on faucet handles and sink edges without the chemical residue left behind by commercial sprays. This is especially important for seniors who may be sensitive to strong cleaning chemicals or fragrances. For tile grout, spray, let sit for 2 minutes, then wipe. The results are noticeably brighter within days. Secret number 3. The maintenance mindset replaces deep cleaning. Here is a principle that cleaning professionals swear by and almost nobody outside the industry talks about. Maintenance always beats remediation. Deep cleaning is what happens when maintenance has been neglected. It is the consequence, not the strategy. Once you shift your cleaning approach from periodic big sessions to small daily actions, the entire experience of keeping a clean home changes. Quick wipe after cooking, immediate spill cleanup before anything dries, a 90-second bathroom touch-up before bed. These micro habits stack up into a home that is consistently clean without the exhausting weekend scrub sessions. Apply this principle to every room: the kitchen counters, the stovetop, the bathroom sink. Every surface is easier to clean within minutes of use than it is hours or days later. Prevention is always faster than cure. Secret number 4. Baking soda for grout and stubborn corners. Grout lines are a magnet for mold, mildew, and discoloration. Professional cleaners use a paste made from baking soda and a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to lift staining from grout without damaging the tile or the sealant. Apply the paste with an old toothbrush, let it sit for 5 minutes, then scrub in small circular motions and rinse. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, meaning it provides the physical friction needed to loosen grime without scratching delicate surfaces. It also neutralizes odors chemically, which is why it works on both stains and the musty smell that develops in humid bathroom corners. Use this treatment once every 2 weeks on grout lines and notice a dramatic difference within a single month. Like this video if you're learning something new. It helps more people on the Seniors Cleaning Hacks channel find these tips. Secret number 5. The toilet cleaning trick professionals use. Most people spray the outside of the toilet, wipe it down, and consider it done. But professional cleaners pay close attention to 3 overlooked zones: the base of the toilet where it meets the floor, the underside of the seat hinges, and the rim holes inside the bowl where water enters during flushing. Those rim holes accumulate mineral deposits and bacteria over time, reducing flushing power and creating a source of odor. Use a small bottle brush or a stiff-bristled toothbrush to clean under the rim regularly. For the base and floor junction, use a paper towel dampened with a disinfectant spray and run it along the entire perimeter. These 2 extra steps eliminate the hidden sources of bathroom odor that most standard cleaning routines completely miss. Secret number 6. Microfiber is not optional. If there is one cleaning tool upgrade that changes everything, it is switching to quality microfiber cloths. Microfiber works on an entirely different principle than cotton or paper towels. The fibers are split at a microscopic level, creating millions of tiny hooks that physically trap and lift particles, bacteria, and grease, rather than simply pushing them around. Studies have shown that microfiber cloths remove up to 99% of bacteria from surfaces using only water, compared to around 30% removal with a regular cotton cloth and cleaning spray. For seniors, this means less reliance on chemical products and less exposure to harsh fumes. Keep dedicated cloths for the bathroom, kitchen, and general dusting. Color coding prevents cross-contamination and makes the routine automatic. Share this video with someone who is still using paper towels for everything. This one switch alone will change their cleaning game. Secret number 7. Hard water stain removal without chemicals. Hard water stains on faucets and shower heads are one of the most frustrating cleaning challenges. The white, chalky deposits are calcium and magnesium carbonate left behind when water evaporates. Commercial descalers work, but many are harsh and expensive. A professional-grade solution uses only lemon juice or white vinegar and a small plastic bag. Fill the bag with the liquid, secure it over the shower head or faucet with a rubber band so the fixture is fully submerged, and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. The natural acids dissolve the mineral buildup without any scrubbing. For faucet bases and handles, soak a cloth in vinegar and wrap it tightly around the fixture for the same duration, then simply wipe clean. This method is completely safe for chrome, stainless steel, and brushed nickel finishes, and it restores water pressure in shower heads that have become restricted by mineral blockage. Secret number 8. The kitchen sponge is your biggest problem. Here's something that surprises most people. The kitchen sponge is typically the dirtiest object in an entire home. Research has consistently identified the kitchen sponge as a breeding ground for bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, with bacterial counts that exceed those found on toilet seats. Professionals either replace sponges weekly or use alternatives entirely, such as silicone scrubbers that can be fully sterilized in a dishwasher or microfiber cloths that can be washed at high temperatures. If using a traditional sponge, dampen it and microwave it for 60 seconds on high to kill surface bacteria, but understand that this only reduces, not eliminates, the bacterial load. The smarter long-term move is to retire sponges from your cleaning toolkit and replace them with washable, sterilizable alternatives. Your kitchen surfaces will actually become cleaner, and you will reduce the amount of bacteria being spread across countertops with every wipe. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks right now for more research-backed cleaning upgrades delivered every week. Secret number 9. The final wipe at night. The last secret ties everything together. Before going to bed each night, spend 3 minutes doing what professional cleaners call a closing sweep. Wipe down the kitchen counters, rinse the sink, fold any towels in the bathroom, and clear any clutter from high-traffic surfaces. This brief evening habit resets your home to a clean baseline overnight. The psychological impact of waking up to a clean home is significant. Research in environmental psychology shows that cluttered and dirty environments increase cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Starting the day in a tidy space genuinely improves focus, mood, and energy. For seniors, maintaining a clean and organized home also reduces fall risk by keeping pathways clear and surfaces dry. The closing sweep is the bookend to the morning shower wipe. Together, these two habits form a daily rhythm that eliminates the need for exhausting deep cleaning sessions entirely. Your home stays consistently clean, your effort stays consistently low, and the results speak for themselves. Those are the 9 expert cleaning secrets that professionals use every single day. None of them require expensive products. None of them require hours of effort. They require only a small shift in when and how you clean, catching problems early instead of fighting them later. Mark is here with Seniors Cleaning Hacks. If this video gave you one new idea to try, hit the like button right now and leave a comment telling us which secret you are starting with tonight. Share this with a family member or friend who is still spending their weekend scrubbing. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you catch every new tip we drop. Keep your home clean, keep it simple, and we'll see you in the next one.